आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, the question is prove that 1 less than integration 0 to 2 5 minus x divided by 9 minus x squared dx less than 6 divided by 5. Basically what it exactly says here that the value of this has the maximum value of 6 by 5 and the minimum value of 1. That means it lies between 1 and 6 by 5. Okay, so let's say let f of x is equals to 5 minus x divided by 9 minus x squared. Okay, so basically what we have to find, we have to find the maximum and minimum value for a function where in which we have to find out the maximum and minimum value. What do? First we differentiate the function, then we make the differentiation. That means the differentiation of the function equals to 0. Then after making that equals to 0, we will find out the values in which the function will be either maximum or minimum. Okay, so first of all let's find f dash of x. That means the function, the differentiation of the function. Okay, so if we differentiate this term, it will be equals to 9 minus x square multiplied by the differentiation of this 5 minus x, it will be minus 1 only, then minus 5 minus x, and the differentiation of minus 9 minus x square will be equals to minus sign here, and it will be 2x divided by 9 minus x square whole square. How did we do that? Here we applied the property, that means differentiation of u divided by v, it will be equals to v du minus u dv divided by v square. Okay, so similarly we have got this value. Now this value becomes equals to here, so it will be 9 into minus 1. That means it will be, if we multiply this value with the minus 1, it will be x square minus 9 minus, here it will be multiplied with 2x, so it will be minus sign here, and we have got the minus sign again, so it will be plus 2 into 5, that means 10x, minus 2 into x, that means 2x square divided by 9 minus x square whole square. Okay, so ultimately the term will become what? It will be equals to here minus 2x square minus x square, that means minus x square plus 10x minus 9 divided by 9 minus x square whole square. Okay, so we have got the differentiation. Now for the maximum and minimum value, this differentiation has to be equal to 0. Okay, so from here what do we get? Or if we cross multiply, this value will be multiplied with 0, so ultimately we will be left with minus x square plus 10x minus 9 equals to 0. Or from here, if we solve it further, what we'll get? It will be minus x square, and here is 10x. 10x can be written as 9x plus x minus 9 equals to 0. Or from here, if we take minus x common, it will be x minus 9 here, and if we take plus 1 common, it will be x minus 9 again equals to 0. So from here it will be 1 minus x multiplied by x minus 9 equals to 0. So we'll get two values of x. So from the first one we will be getting x will be equals to 1, and from second one x will be equals to 9. Okay, so now let's put the value of this in the function, and let's see in which point out of these two the function is maximum or minimum. Okay, so now let's find out f of 1. That means in the function we will put the value of x as 1. So the f of x was given as 5 minus x, so it will be 5 minus 1 divided by 9 minus x square, that means 9 minus 1 square is 1. 5 minus 1 is what? 4 divided by 9 minus 1, 8. It will be equals to 1 by 2. Okay, similarly we'll find out the value for f of 9 here. Okay, so we can find out the value for x equals to 9, that means f of 9, but we don't need that. What do we need? In the question, if we look at the question again, in the question it is given that the integration is from 0 to 2. Okay, so we'll find out the value for 2 here. So let's find out the value for f of 2. We don't need 9. Okay, we need only f of 0 and f of 2. We have found out f of 1. So f of 2 will be equals to, if we put the value, the function was 5 minus x, that means 5 minus 2 divided by 9 minus 2 square, that means 4, which will give us is equals to 5 minus 2 is 3 and 9 minus 4 is 5. 3 divided by 5. Okay, now let's find out the value for f of 0. That means in place of x we'll put 0. So f of 0 will be equals to what? It was 5 minus x divided by 9 minus x square. So ultimately if we put 0, it will be 5 divided by 9 only. Okay, so in the question we are asked to prove this value. Okay, so now what we have got? We have got f of 0 as equals to 5 by 9, f of 1 as equals to 1 by 2, and f of 2 as equals to 3 by 5. Okay, So here you can see that the least value is half, as the value of half is 0.5, and the value for f of 0 is what? F of 0 is 0.555 up to infinity, and the value for 3 by 5, that means f of 2 is equals to 0.6. That means the maximum value is f of 2 and minimum value is f of 1. Okay, so now we have taken this function, this is as f. So what we have to find out? Integration 0 to 2 f of x dx. Okay, so it can be written as, if we take the minimum term, that means it will be equals to here integration 0 to 2, the minimum value of f of x is what? F of 1. So it will be f of 1 dx less than equals to, or we can put easily less than integration 0 to 2 f of x. That means f of x is what? 5 minus x divided by 9 minus x square dx less than the highest value, that means f of 2, integration 0 to 2 f of 2 dx, f of 2 dx. Okay, now, okay, so now if we put the value of this, it is equals to what? Integration 0 to 2, here f of 1 is what? So it will be integration 0 to 2 half dx less than this integration 0 to 2 5 minus x divided by 9 minus x square dx less than the value for f of 2 is what? 3 divided by 5, 3 divided by 5, integration 0 to 2 dx. Okay, so the value for this half will be come out of the integration, and what we will find? It will be 1 by 2 x, the integration of dx x from the limit 0 to 2 less than integration 0 to 2 5 minus x divided by 9 minus x square dx less than, it will be 3 divided by 5 multiplied by x from limit 0 to 2, same as here. Okay, so if we find out the value, it will be 2 minus 0, that means 2 only, 2 into 1 by 2 less than, if we put the limit here, it will be 2 minus 0 and multiplied by the half, it will be only half into 2, integration 0 to 2 5 minus x dx divided by 9 minus x square less than, this value is 3 by 5, similarly multiplied by 2 as before. So finally what we get from here, the value will be here 1 less than integration 0 to 2 5 minus x dx by 9 minus x square, this value will be less than, this is 3 into 2, that means 6 divided by 5. So this is what we had to prove, and we have proved it. So this is the required solution for this question. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।